Okay, traders, very good afternoon. So today we have taken a short side after a very long time on Divis Lab, and as soon as I shorted it, it kind of retraced pretty fast. Um, so I've shorted at 3660, stop loss 72, target is at 3650. Pretty hopeful, traders, that it should go down, but it's kind of retraced pretty fast. There's a pretty strong support at 3660. So let's see what happens. Uh, Make sure, traders, you watch this video till the end, because this is the first time, sorry, rather the second time that I'm going on a short side. I did it previously in the last month. So definitely there will be some interesting concept to learn over here. Okay. It's actually exactly the same that we do in the buying side, but it's just that we followed that in the short side. So it's like pretty much the opposite concept. But let's wait and watch, traders. Okay. Okay, traders, see, as I said, 3660 is its pretty strong resistance, sorry, support. Whenever it comes over there, it's kind of bouncing back. It's creating a drama at that particular level. So once it breaks this level 3660, definitely the market will be going down, and I'm pretty hopeful now because it's kind of played a lot of drama over here. So let's wait. Okay, traders, as I said, now the 3660 level is broke. Okay, now we can start thinking of reducing our stop loss. We can bring it down to this level and make our stop loss at a risk of 1:1.3. So let's wait for the low of this breakdown candle to be broke further. Okay, traders, see, as I said, the low is broke. Now let's reduce down on our stop loss. Okay, so now we have got our stop loss to 1:1.35. Okay, so I'm reducing my stop loss to 3669. Okay, 3669. Okay, now if the stock goes down further, if it breaks the low of this candle as well, we will get it down to 3640, 42, or maybe we'll bring it near our selling price. Okay, so that our whole stop loss will become zero, and then we'll have to just wait for the target order to be hit. Okay, yeah, we will try to bring it somewhere over here. Let's see, traders. Okay, so we'll have to just wait. Okay, so give me a moment, traders. Let's wait for this low to break further. Okay, okay, traders, see, I was not able to record it, but the candle came down pretty fast and it took down our target, and we have got a target of 550. So I kept my risk a bit less. Ideally I had to take a risk of 580 rupees, but as I was on a short side and I had not taken a short side for a long time, so I kept it at 550 rupees. So yeah, traders, so let's do one thing. Let's quickly go through the reasons and try to understand why we took this trade today. Okay, okay, so first of all, if you see Divis Lab, it's very strongly bearish today. Now when we take a Fibo for a short side, we swing it from swing low to the swing high. Okay, it's exactly opposite to the way we do it in a bullish side. Okay, and now if I see, this is the 61% Fibo level. Okay, that's coming close to 3660. Okay, so I was planning to short somewhere below this low candle, because that is the low that that is the one low that was formed. Okay, so that was coming close to 3662, this candle. Okay, so what I did is, okay, I went to the 2 minutes candle. I'll just show it to you. I went to the 2 minutes chart. Okay, this is the chart that we work on. So we had a bearish viewpoint. Okay, now the first thing is, I was planning to short below this candle, and I was planning to short it at 3660, 65, but it gave a pretty strong breakdown. So I thought it's better that I wait for the low of this candle to be broken. That happened over here, and I got it at 36.61. Okay, so that's how we did. Okay, usually I trade below the breakdown candle, traders. I do not wait for retracement. Okay, because for according to me the probability becomes pretty high when you trade below the breakdown candle or a breakout candle, whichever side you are trading. Okay, so this is how we started the trade at 36.61. Kept a stop loss at 36.72. That's hardly 10 points. That is 0.25% stop loss and 0.25% target. As I said, 36.60 was pretty strong support. It took some time for it to break this whole support thing. Okay, but as soon as it broke, it fell down pretty fast, and that's the beauty of shorting, traders. Okay, in shorting, it just happens pretty quickly. Okay, if you are on the right side on the shorting trade, it quickly gives you your target. You know, it doesn't wait for that long. It really quickly gives you a target. Rather, I see that the market went down till 36.25, but it's okay. We got our target, traders. That is what matters at the end of the day. Okay, so let me tell you the logic, traders. How it works is, say for example, a stock is moving in the upward direction. It faces a certain resistance, and then see maybe it facing a certain resistance at this time, and it is falling down. Okay, now when it falls down, if it comes below the 61%, so say for example this line is 61% in the feeble level, then it will fall down further. Okay, now this is the logic of the trade. Okay, so this is the 61%, as I said, in the feeble level. Okay, now the reason this happens is more than 50% of the sellers are pretty bearish, and 70% of the time this concept works, traders. Okay, so this is exactly the opposite that we do in the buying side as well. So exactly the same thing we did in the selling side today. Okay, so 70% of this time this works, and in the buying side, if I have to explain, see, it's the same thing. Market falling down, it comes down to a level and then it recovers. If it recovers more than by 61%, then again the probability of this market going in the upward direction is 70%. The probability is 70%. Okay, so that means out of 10 trade you take, there is a very high possibility 7 of this trade will work in your favor. Okay, but what is more important is you always take a confirmation or a view only in a 1 hour candle on an intraday level. Why? Because on a 1 hour candle, the overall view is pretty clear, and as per that, if you work on a 2 minutes chart, okay, you take a viewpoint on a 1 hour candle, but if you work on a 2 minutes chart, like the entry and all, if you check it on a 2 minute chart, it works out to be best, precise entry as well. Okay, so that's the logic over here, traders. Okay, very straightforward and a simple logic. Okay, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel and have a great day ahead, traders. Bye bye.